So first, you just simply open the project where you want to use the transparency. So let me explain you what exactly transparency option does. So it helps you to blend two different images or videos together to look of one whole image. Let me give you an example. As you can see, I have two images over here. Now if I align them like this, you will find that the images are not blending. So now what you do is just simply choose the blending or the transparency option, which will be right over here. So if you decrease the amount over here, you can see that the two images are kind of blending over here. And now both of the images are visible. So this is the basic process what transparency effect does in Canva. Now let me give you an example how to use the transparency option. So as you can see right over here, this is going to be the foreground of the main image and this is going to be the background. Now, in order to use transparency, always keep the background that you want to be the most prominent at the very back. So just simply do that and increase the size. Now add the foreground over here. Then again increase the size for this too. Now what you have to do is just simply decrease the transparency for the upper layer. Now if you want to see the layers, go to the position option, then go to layers and make sure that the layer that is at the top is going to be the layer whose transparency you are going to decrease. So keep that in mind. Now decrease the transparency. And now you will find that the two images are now looking like one. Now, there is one more thing that you should do. Now, once you have made a transparent layer, what you would do is duplicate the base layer over here. So click on it and then just simply choose duplicate and now place it right on top of it. And now decrease the transparency of this one as well and make sure to align it perfectly. And now by doing this, you can give much more depth to your image. So let me show you before and after. So if I remove the top layer, so you can see this is how it would look. And after the image, you can see the difference. So that's basically how to use transparency option in Canva. So if you would like to get the subscription for Canva, you can get the link in the description box below. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.